Hey guys, it's Courtney once again. Thank you so much for watching. I just want to take a quick moment to say that I love American Eagle. My hat is American Eagle today, my Rolling Stones shirt, and also my wrap skirt. I don't know if you can see it. This is really hard, guys, with my phone. But yeah, cheetah print wrap skirt is American Eagle, and I just love them. Okay, so I was running late to work today, and I didn't feel like doing my hair, so I decided to wear a hat, which ended up working well in my favor, might I add, because everyone was like, oh, I love your hat, and I'm like, yeah, me too. It's great when I'm lazy. Didn't feel like doing my hair today, but anyways, the product that I thought we could quickly review is this. It's this Briogeo. Guys, I don't know how to pronounce this. You'd think before I make a YouTube video I would like know how to pronounce it, especially since I'm a hairdresser. Okay. Briogeo? Briogeo. Okay, I don't know, but there it is. It's pretty amazing products so far that I've tried. This is from Sephora, and this is the Scalp Revival, which is like a dry shampoo. I've been looking everywhere for a dry shampoo for curly hair that doesn't have any sulfates, silicones, or parabens. And, oh, look, I got mascara right there. Oh, man. And this one literally on the front, I don't know if you can read that, says no sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens. So I'm like so excited. I really haven't been able to find one. I literally just got this from Sephora. Don't judge, but I'm a Rouge member and I get like 2-day shipping. So it just came in the mail now. The fun part about this is I just got it, so I don't really know how to use it, but I'll tell you about it. The scalp-friendly, refreshing dry shampoo is formulated with a purifying blend of benzoate charcoal and natural starches to absorb excess oil at the roots while helping to draw out impurities from the scalp and hair. A nutrient-rich combination of biotin, bamboo, and witch hazel extract work together to balance oils on the scalp, leaving the hair feeling clean and voluminous. Shake well before use. How fun. Shake well. Okay, and twist the cap to reveal spray dispenser. Oh, there it is. Now I can spray. Okay. Squeeze the bottle and dispense evenly 5 inches away from hair, focusing on the roots. Let the shampoo sit for 2 minutes and then comb through the hair thoroughly until the powder is fully absorbed. Oh, shoot, y'all. It's leaking everywhere. Okay. Look at this. That's like the worst thing ever. Do you see that hat hair? Oh my gosh, terrible. Okay. Oh wow, this is kind of like Puff Me. Like a powder. I don't know if I'm really going to let it sit for 2 minutes just because that'd be a lot of time. Oh man. Oh, squeeze the bottle. See, guys, I've never used this. That's why it was leaking everywhere. Get a little in the back. It smells good, guys. Like, it smells like, wow, my hair is going to smell good after using this. Real quick, while it sits, I just wanted to talk about like some products I want to review next. I've been mostly using Diva Curl. And so some things that I really want to review, I saw India put it up on her channel about the pros. So I actually went and took the test, and it was so cool how tailored it was. So I've got the pre-shampoo, the shampoo, the conditioner, and the oil coming. So we're going to review those. And I want to review Curly World, the Curly Girl Method founder. She made it, Lorraine Massey. And so that's exciting. And I've been looking everywhere. All of the purple shampoos for highlighted hair that are supposed to tone it and take out the orange tones, they have like sulfates in them or silicones or something. So I was like looking everywhere for something for curly hair, and Lorraine Massey, thank you so much, because she came up with the Curly World products, and I'll show you. It's my shower. Like totally environmental friendly package, and it works so good. So I love it. So I want to review it for you guys so you can see the difference of my hair before and after I use this. All right, time to shake. Wow, guys. Oh my. Yes, this is amazing. Look at that volume. And to think it's Curly Method approved. Like, are you serious? Look how voluminous. Oh, voluminous, is that a word? I love it. Like, volume is everything to me. Look at that. I bet you could spray even more and like, and I bet it's kind of like throughout the day. Oh man, look at me, guys. I'm like sucking at this whole video process. I bet if it's like throughout the day, if you're kind of feeling like it gets flat again, you could probably just shake it right back up. Wow. I'm like never gonna wash my hair now. That is amazing. Like I'm gonna use that on first day even, just to give it volume. And to know that it's paraben, sulfate, and silicone free, this is like a 10. Oh yeah, look at all those products. Is that not crazy? Like I'm a hoarder, a product hoarder, guys. Wow, I'm so obsessed. All right, if you want more videos like this, like the video, comment, subscribe if you want. I don't have any subscribers yet. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and we'll be back with another video soon.